Welcome back to Crypto Tribe Global. This is your Crypto Master speaking and my name is Mirza. So today we are getting a deep dive into Bitcoin chart because currently the market is correcting and we were looking at 5-6 days weeks of candle in a green color, but we are looking at a red candle right now for Bitcoin. Yes, we have predicted this for the past 2-3 days. We were talking about this, that we might face an healthy correction along the way because it is not healthy if we are looking at a green candle all the time. So we must see red candles in between or now and then. So yes, before I get into Bitcoin chart, I will be introducing the WazirX chart in INR and as well as Binance chart in USDT pair. So let me introduce you to an important chart that you guys have to look into before you are trading in cryptocurrency. Of course, there are two seasons, especially, that is Bitcoin season and of course altcoin season. So the Bitcoin season is where Bitcoin dominance is higher than the altcoin dominance, and the altcoin season is where the Ethereum dominance is outperforming a Bitcoin dominance. And of course, when Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, we can see the entire alt or the selected altcoins are performing very well. So when you look at the chart, this is actually a 1 year altcoin and Bitcoin index chart. So when you look at the chart, you will see the 25 line and the below 25 line, which means we are in the Bitcoin season. If we are heading towards the 75 line, that is from 25 to 75, we can see the alts performing very well. So for the past 2-3 days, we were seeing some of the alts, some of the selected altcoins are performing very well and creating new all-time high, like ADA, Cardano, and of course many other coins are performing very well. So when we are getting into that 75 line, we can see most of the altcoins are performing very well. So when we see the line is crossing 75 and getting into the 100 and then it will come back to the 75th again, so that is a time where you guys have to exit from the market because the alts would have done their best and get into their all-time highs, or they would have created new all-time highs rather than creating the existing all-time high or breaking the all-time high. So you guys have to be well aware of this chart. This is one of the important chart you guys have to look into because this is one of the best short-term investing strategy you can work out. So let me repeat that one more time. So if you're seeing the chart index is below 25, that means the Bitcoins are performing very well, and there you can enter into the altcoins because altcoins would not be performing very well. So if you're looking at the chart above 75 or at least above 25, there you should enter in the altcoin portfolios, and of course you need to invest in any altcoins you have selected for investing. And when you see the lines are closing above 75, there you can take profit, and of course you can keep some of the positions. And after you see the lines are coming down below 75, you need to exit. This is not a financial advice, of course. This is a suggestion that I'm giving you. You can take it or leave it, or else you can use it as a reference. So that said, let's get it back to Bitcoin WazirX INR pair. So this is the Bitcoin INR pair on the daily time frame, and we are looking at the price range around 36.5 lakh rupees. And here you can see that I've mentioned many supports and of course resistive levels. And here some of the important resistance I can explain to you is that 38 lakh is gonna be a major resistance that we must break above. And there are three scenarios I can give you right now, and these three scenarios will play an important role in case of Bitcoin and of course in case of altcoin price ranges. So the first scenario would be like this: if the candle is closing below 36.1 lakh, it can come down to at least 34.7 lakh. So it can bounce back from 34.7 lakh to again to 39 lakh. So this price range I'm mentioning right now, 34.7 lakh, is gonna be the first scenario. So this can be done like this: like if the price is closing below 36 lakh, it can come to 34 lakh and then bounce back again to 39 lakh. So that is the first scenario that I'm looking forward to. And if it is gonna happen, then of course if we are looking at a candle closing above 34 lakh, if it is coming below 36, then you can enter in the alt season altcoins because the price in altcoins will be correcting, and thereafter we can see the pump towards another price range in altcoins. So that is the first scenario I can say. And the second scenario is that if it is supporting, if it is staying above 36.1 lakh, then we can expect that candle coming towards 38 lakh once again and testing that major resistance level. level. So that is gonna be the second case. So if we can see a candle closing above 36.2 lakh, there you can enter in the alt season, or else you can buy a Bitcoin as well. So this is gonna be a rare case scenario, because if I probably I'm looking towards as consolidation for the next 2 3 4 days, or maybe few weeks. And if that consolidation is gonna happen, then we can see these two scenarios. Most probably these two scenarios will play out. Otherwise, a rare case scenario is that we can see a candle going beyond 38 lakh and closing above 38 lakh, and then we can see the continuation towards 39.9, and thereafter we can see the major resistance at 41 to 46, then the all-time high at around 49 and 50, and so on. So yes, we are looking at a major correction level. So this is actually the 1-day time frame chart, and I will show you the weekly time frame chart, because there is something important things I should tell you before I get into the 4-hour time frame. So this is a Bitcoin INR pair on the weekly time frame, and we are looking at a green candle after 1 2 3 4 5 6 green candles. Yes, this red candle, indeed a very important red candle, because this is gonna be a healthy correction. So if we can see a green candle in the next week, like when the weekly candle closes on Sundays, and we can see a green candle on Monday, then of course we can expect that price will go beyond 39.9 lakh or 40 lakh towards 41 lakh. So this weekly candle is one of the healthy candle, I can say, because after 6 green candle we are looking at a red candle right now. So this is gonna be a healthy correction. This is very important healthy correction for Bitcoin, and it is not that drastic correction that we have seen so far, because the price went above 66%, and we saw that V-shaped recovery, like we discussed 2-3 months before, that July is gonna be an historical month, and now we are looking at I think around 6% of correction, and that is actually an important correction in case of Bitcoin. So this healthy correction is of course and indeed a very must correction for Bitcoin, and hereafter as we are looking towards 49 lakh and beyond 49 lakh, we can see Bitcoin is pumping towards that. If the bulls are in control, then we can see the candle closing above 38 lakh, then we can see the price going beyond 40 lakh. Otherwise, like I told you, in the 1-day time frame, Bitcoin can go and correct for a few days and then pump towards these all-time heights. But there are many scenarios can play out along the way. So that's all for Bitcoin in INR pair. Let me show you the Bitcoin in USDT pair in Binance. So this is the Bitcoin USDT pair in Binance. The current price range is at 46.6 USDT, and we can see the red candles after a green candle. And yes, the price can go and correct for a few days. Like I told you, when you are looking at the chart, you can see that this healthy correction is indeed a must for Bitcoin. And we were looking at this rising wedge, and of course towards the 57k price range, we were falling from the rising wedge, and we are trying to find a new support at around 46k. So this 46k price range, around 46.2k price range, is of course an important support for Bitcoin right now. And all these lines I've drawn for the past 1 to 2 months, and yes, it is acting according to my price range and my predictions, because that is how the market works. And of course we were looking at these kind of targets and everything from the past price actions. So right now the candle have already touched down on 46.2k, and we need to see the candle closing above 46.2k. Otherwise we can see the candle is going beyond below 44 and to 44.8k. So this is the first scenario that can play out, that is it can go to 44.8k, then again bounce back to retest the price range at 50k, or else at least the price can come about let me tell you that 49.5k. So that can be the first scenario. And the second scenario, that if the candle is closing above 46.2k, then we can see another retest to 49k after that. And the third scenario, it's gonna be a rare scenario, that we need to stay above 49.5k, and then we can see the price range to 52k. And along the way from 52 to 57k, we can expect a lot of consolidation and of course correction, just like we are looking at right now. Because after a 66% of growth, we are looking at a 6% of correction, which is very healthy. Yes, the prices are looking pretty good, and of course the volume is also holding on, and the bulls are in control, not the bears. And of course, we were looking at the chart, we were seeing the price action towards 57k, and yes, this correction is indeed a very must correction for Bitcoin for now. On the technical side, we are looking at the candle is staying above 20 moving average, and that is also a bullish sign. And we can expect the candle closing above 52k by the end of September, or usually the September months are very worst months in case of Bitcoin bull run, because usually in every September months we were looking major corrections happening in Bitcoin. So this can also play out. Maybe we can expect Bitcoin coming down to 42.5k and then bounce back to 57k, and thereafter, like we predicted, like I told you 2 months back, that July will decide the future of Bitcoin, and then that is happening. And we were looking at by the end of July, we had many major events, and thereafter from August onwards we were looking at Bitcoin bouncing towards 51k. And this is all actually playing out very well, and anything can happen in the market, because this is cryptocurrency and this market is very risky because it is highly volatile. So you guys have to stay alert, and of course plan your trade ahead. The market will always give you new opportunities to buy, and of course to sell and take profit. And of course, if you guys are planning to hold for a long run, don't do this right now. If you're buying right now, if you have actually bought the coins from June or maybe before June, then you can actually hold on and you can take profit from some of the coins, and you can hold some of the positions, and thereafter you can accumulate these coins on offer price, because of course during the bear run the price will come down to 90% in each coins. So that's it. That is the Bitcoin, and of course the price ranges of Bitcoin. 2-3 scenarios I've mentioned, and you guys have to plan ahead and trade accordingly. Don't forget your stop loss. This is your Crypto Master signing off from Crypto Tribe. I will be seeing you very soon. Godspeed.